Let's be honest, it's the conversation no one wants to have, but almost every man faces at some point. You get excited, you're with your partner, things start heating up, and boom, it's over in less than 2 minutes, maybe even under a minute. She looks surprised, you feel embarrassed, and you start making excuses in your head like maybe I was too tired or maybe next time will be better. But deep down, this isn't the first time. And if you don't take action, it won't be the last. If you're ejaculating within 120 seconds or less, listen carefully. This is more than just a bedroom issue. This is a warning sign. Your body is trying to tell you something critical, that your mental, physical, and even hormonal health is weakening day by day. But the good news is you can fix it. Most men don't realize this issue isn't just physical. It's neurological, psychological, and even dietary. Ejaculation is one of the most energy-intensive processes in the male body. Your nervous system, hormones, muscles, and cardiovascular system must all work in harmony. If you're finishing too quickly, it could mean something's out of sync. The usual suspects: chronic stress, low testosterone, overstimulation from porn, weak pelvic muscles, lack of arousal control, high anxiety, poor nutrition, and a sedentary lifestyle. And if you ignore it, things get worse. Confidence plummets, intimacy becomes stressful, and your body starts to normalize this dysfunction. Your brain adapts to fast finishing, your pelvic muscles weaken, and your stress hormones remain elevated. Eventually, it doesn't just affect your sex life, it bleeds into your mood, your focus, and your physical performance. But here's the fix: a 5-level approach that works no matter your age. First, reset your nervous system. Try box breathing: 4 seconds in, 4 hold, 4 out, 4 hold daily. Take cold showers to boost resilience. And most importantly, reduce or eliminate porn. It rewires your brain for instant gratification. Second, train your pelvic floor with Kegel exercises. Squeeze the PC muscle like stopping your pee for 5 seconds. Relax for 5, repeat 10 times, 3 times daily. Third, fuel your body like a beast. Low testosterone equals low control. So eat zinc-rich foods like eggs, nuts, and seafood. Get healthy fats from avocados and olive oil, and take in some sunlight or vitamin D. Avoid sugar, processed carbs, and alcohol, especially beer, which wrecks testosterone. Fourth, apply the stop-start technique. Whether solo or with a partner, bring yourself close to climax, then stop, breathe, calm down, and repeat. This builds control and rewires your arousal threshold. Fifth, learn the squeeze technique right before climax. Apply a gentle squeeze below the head of the penis for 5 to 10 seconds to regain control. Do all this consistently, and you can see results in as little as 2 weeks. You'll notice stronger erections, better arousal control, more confidence, and less anxiety, not just in bed, but in life. If after 2 or 3 months nothing changes, consult a doctor. There could be deeper issues like hormonal imbalances, neurological problems, prostate conditions, or medication side effects. There's no shame in seeking help, but there is danger in ignoring the signs. You are not defined by how fast or slow you finish. You're defined by how you respond to challenges. Most men suffer silently, but you're here taking action. That matters. So if you've been finishing in under 2 minutes, it's not just about lasting longer, it's about reclaiming your physical and mental strength. Like the video, drop a comment if you've experienced this or want to learn more, and subscribe for more real conversations on men's health. You've got this. Take control, level up, and become the man you're meant to be.